Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Profession Tax. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wbprofessiontax.gov.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the Profession Tax website, from which in order to log into your account, scroll down and then click on the enrollment button. Now once you're within the enrollment page, click on the login button at the left section and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Enter your user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID box and then type in your account password underneath. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the click here button alongside forgot your password in order to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Profession Tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.